guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be a makeup tutorial for the beginners. So I have a friend with me जो आज मेरा मेकअप करेंगी and it will be a great video to watch. जो भी beginners हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है. वो बहुत अच्छा मेकअप करती हैं. So let's start.
We're going to be starting with cleaning her face off with some Garnier Micellar water. We're going to be taking it on a cotton swab and beginning from there. Now we're going to moisturize the skin, and we're going to be using this Acti Soft Moisturizer. This works very well as a primer, and this is not at all oily. It has a very watery consistency, and this has a lot of ceramides in it, so it's really good for the skin also. Maybe we'll be applying a little more because we'll be doing makeup, but let's try it on one half of the face first, how this absorbs, and then we'll go ahead from there. And I'm using fingers because we don't have a lot of tools.
That's okay.
So we'll apply a thick layer, and then we'll give it about 5 minutes to get absorbed. And when it's just a little sticky and a little absorbed, we'll start with our foundation application so that our foundation stays on well. And she also has oily skin, so we're going to be using a pore filling, mattifying, long lasting primer. A little more detail about this. This is an Indian moisturizer. It's manufactured in Hyderabad, and it is very similar to the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Very watery consistency, and it's not like this. This is the Cetaphil one. This may be better for the people with dry skin because it has an oily consistency. We'll give it another 2-3 minutes, and then we'll go in with this primer. This is the Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. This is also good for oily skin people. It mattifies the skin. This is not available in India, but there are a lot of tubes available in India. A high-end one is going to be the Benefit Pore Professional Primer, and the low-end one can be your NYX Pore Filling Primer. They do the job just as much well. And only in the T-zone, and we'll be using it on the cheeks. We have a cat intrusion.
और ये हमें मेकअप करने बिल्कुल नहीं दे रही है.
He also wants to get his way. Before we move on to the skin, we decided to work on the eyes because we do not have a matching foundation shade. We have to work through that. So it's better that we start with the eyes and not spoil our base. We're going to be working with the James Charles palette. This is a very versatile palette, again, not available in India, but you can order this from, I just got it Beauty, and I got it from an Instagram page. I'm not very sure about the details now, but I'll just show you the palette. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. I haven't used it a lot because I'm very scared to. I save it for special occasions. This works wonderfully well for neutral looks. You can see here we have all the neutral mattes, the center bigger row. Then we have all the fun neutral mattes here, some shimmers, some reds and oranges. And then here is all the colorful ranges, the bottom 2 rows. Beautiful for working out a creative or a very glammed up party look. So we're going to be working with this one. And before that, we're going to prep the eyes with some concealer. We're going to be using a very lightweight LA Girl concealer. We're using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, I think this is Ivory or Fair or Porcelain. In the shade Porcelain GC969. Because the eyelids are not going to show a lot, I'm using a concealer concealer, which is not her shade because we have to make do with the base concealer foundations anyway. Guys, we closed up with some lashes and the exact same eye technique. We're going to still do the brows and lift her eye up here a little. We need a little light here. But before we do all of that, we're going in with the foundation because foundation was going to be difficult for us since we don't have the exact match. What we're going in with is the LA Girl Pro Conceal because it's a little cold here in Hyderabad and we want something which gives a luminous finish. We're going in with that. To shade match it, we've mixed in this. This is a foundation from Fuera. It's a Chinese brand. I got it from AliExpress. This is not my shade. So I just wanted something to work as a mixer. So I mixed this in just to bring out that color. And we're going in with this. I've mixed it on my hand. We swatched it. It matches good. It's a little bit more pinkier than we would like, but we are making it work with whatever we've got. We completely blundered the shade match. We added a lot of this brown shade which she did not need. She could have gone in with this directly and we could have just bronzed it a little more and fixed it up, but anyways, now we're going to fix it with our highlight. Before we highlight, what we're doing is, the only good highlight shade that I have is Tarte Shape Tape in fair, I guess, in fair or light. Yeah, in fair or light I have that, but that will be too light. So what we're going first is, we're going in with again the yellow corrector, which is going to act as a good base for a highlight, if not completely act as a highlight. For now it's doing a great job of covering up the darkness that we added underneath. So we're going in with this Milani bronzer. It's very good. It has a very slight metallic sheen to it. One thing that I don't like in it is these golden specks that you have. These are glitters. So the glitter is not a good thing, but the sheen is very good. I'm going to pick it up on this brush. It's a very unusual shade, small brush, not ideal for bronzing, but that's what we're going to be using. And I'm going to pick it up from here, where I have almost negligent amount of glitter, so that we only pick up on the nice sheen and no glitters. And we'll just go on the perimeters. We still will get some glitters, but nothing extravagant. We'll go on the perimeters, a bit on her cheekbone, going right on top, because and we can already see her cheeks. Just smile once. Her cheeks are so prominent and so beautiful. What I'm going to do now is flawless, but okay, yeah, we can see it on the nose. The highlight is just going to give it that upturned Penelope Cruz nose, a little bit on the bridge. Okay, that's ought to show up. That's showing up. Wonderful. Maybe I'll put it with the same brush on the cheekbones for it to show up. We're packing the product. Do not do it on the daily use. But we'll take it a little bit higher. Again, because hooded eyes will look good if you take it a little bit more higher up, and makes eyes look way more open and awake. Yeah, wonderful. I'll just focus it a little more, just right on the inner eye, right here. We just added in the highlighter to add a little more oomph to the eyes. We added this glitter. We did not use it as a glitter liner, however, though it is one, we just put it in the center of her lids to give a little more oomph, and that's how our lids are looking. We also added the lip. It's a nude pink, smells very minty, very nudey, very MAC. To end it with a setting spray, it's the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This you can get in India at Nykaa about 700 or 1200. I'm really confused, but it is between those price points. We'll keep it about a feet away from her face and add it, eyes closed, for a dewy finish. And we'll let it dry. Her face will be a little too wet right now. We'll just wait for it to dry.